Hello, my lovely zodiacs. How are you all? I know this is a very, very dark time. This is very difficult, and my heart goes for you. But what we all can do for one another is support each other, pray for each other, and be there for each other in the time of need. I'm sure you all are definitely taking care of yourself and your loved ones. This is an very, very shocking period, and I promise you this will end, this will also pass by, and we will be back better than before, and healthier, with a better life. We all will definitely fight this and survive. Just hang in there for a little more time. We have a massive planetary position shift on the 23rd of May, where Saturn goes into retrograde, and then we will have Mercury going retrograde on the 1st of June. That should get us a massive relief. So please, till then, fight it with a lot of compassion, and just stay very, very safe till then. And let's start the weekly predictions from 30th of April to 6th of May 2021. Part 1 is from Aries to Virgo. Let's see what's going on with you guys, Aries. Aries, you have postponed a lot of plans at this point. It could be due to pandemic. I see a little sadness around you, Aries. You are feeling very sad because of the situation. Maybe your loved ones are suffering, or you are in it, and though you're keeping a lot of integrity, you're keeping yourself very calm and very composed, very strong, and that's what you need to do, because you have to support so much around you now. People do depend on you, but you have thought of postponing a few things, and you're like, let's not be selfish, and I have to now support my loved ones, my friends, and my family. So do this for this week, and I'm sure things will look much better in the coming week. Taurians, you are very sad this week, because you feel a lot of distance. A lot of your loved ones are kept away from you. You want to hug someone, you want to be close to someone, and you feel like, I need to be with my lover, or I need to be with the person who understands me the most. So that distance is troubling you, that detachment is troubling you. And this week you're not feeling, and if some of you do have people around you, then you're not feeling that closeness and attachment to them, and that's really bothering you, Taurians, this week. And you're like, where do I run away? I wish I could just go somewhere far, far from this situation and not deal with anybody. But that's not the way life runs, Taurians. We have to face with what life gives to gives us, and we have to kind of deal with it with a lot of positivity. You are a positive zodiac, more or less. You are ruled by Venus, so happiness comes to you very organically. You don't have to fake it. So please, at this point, if you're feeling that happiness is missing, then I guess you fake it till you make it, my friend. And yeah, it can be very helpful. Geminis, suddenly, in this whole pandemic, when there is a lot of things going on, there's a card of healing for you, and there is a card of source for you, and the card of movement has also come. So somehow things are opening up for you in few things. You are kind of feeling healed, and you are moving forward. Your work cards are looking brilliant, Geminis. You are like, yes, you do have compassion and empathy for the situation, but you are like, hey, you know what? We all have to work, we have to help the economy as well, and we have to keep going. We cannot stop. And it's true, it is true. With health, wealth, they both have to have a very balanced equation. Otherwise, the loss is there, whether it's of health or wealth, and we have to kind of strike a balance there. And that kind of a balance Geminis are bringing in their life, especially this week. Good job, brilliant job, Geminis. Cancerians, yes, a few Cancerians are also feeling the distance from their loved ones, and they are feeling like, you know what, I'm lonely. Some of you are probably under corona and you're feeling like, I wish somebody could take care of me, because Cancerians are very sensitive and they are like, and some of you are with people and also feeling lonely, so you are kind of in a very similar situation like I saw with Taurians. But it's not all that bad. I have to tell you, you'll have a face-to-face conversation with someone, you'll clear the air. There is a lot of disappointment you're feeling in relationships, but this week there will be a breakthrough. You will speak your heart, you'll hear somebody also. But you know what, if you'll ask for my suggestion, I will ask you to dodge this confrontation this week. Just don't get into it, don't indulge in it. It's just an experience, it is not permanent, it is not going to be in your life. Whatever you're thinking, should I clarify this week, should I have a talk, should I have a straight to straight, there's no need. It's absolutely fine. You just have to know that this is an experience, it is not permanent, and just I'm sure the next week after this will be much better. Leos are fighting a lot. Leos, we need to fight the pandemic. They're fighting, yes, some right battles and some wrong battles. They feel their life has completely become a battle and they have to fight. But there is with the card of fight, there is a card of breakthrough also, which is brilliant, Leos. So if you're in COVID or you have the virus, you will break through, you will emerge healthy and you'll be fine. That is there. But if you are feeling a fight with your finances and your money, that fight is still prolonging a bit. You're very frustrated with it, but please breathe through it. In fact, I see men Leos are being very feisty with all this. Women Leos, on the other hand, are seeing more towards progress and breakthrough and getting healthier and making everybody around them healthier. So they have a different Leo, and Leo men and women are thinking very differently, and mostly it always happens, we always get different cards for them. So yeah, just Leo men especially, have faith in this situation, have faith in yourself, and please know that you're not alone in all this, and we all will come out of it and progress together. Virgos, you want to travel. You are also very impatient this week. You are like, my loved ones are a bit far. I want to visit them. I want to travel them. And when don't do that, you're very innocent, but follow your guidance. The card of guidance is here. You need to follow your guidance, and you need to make sure that you don't kind of take any hasty decision and take some special approvals to, travel and go. Everything is fine. I'm not seeing any situation where you need to rush and be somewhere, because you have to keep yourself also safe, right? There is a pandemic, though you're very innocent, and it's the card of the possibility of flying has come, and traveling has come. So please, if it is not really very, very important, and if you think there's no need for you to do it, then try to be home and try to kind of do whatever you want to do. And nowadays it is what it is. We do have facilities also. We can always make video calls, phone calls, and at least speak to our loved ones a million times a day and stay connected to them. So that is also the facility we have. So try if you can make peace with it, and I think things will look much brighter in a week's time.